Watch this video to enhance your machine learning skills, a crucial subcategory of artificial intelligence that will elevate your expertise, making it more task-oriented. It is designed to help you grasp the core concepts and solidify your understanding of the essential aspects of ML. You will learn each ML step in detail. We start with data collection and preparation, model selection, and the intricacies of training and evaluation. The vital process of hyperparameter tuning and accurate predictions is also given its due. If you want to access this presentation with appealing graphics and visuals, download it from the given link. This enlightening presentation clarifies the distinction between ML and traditional programming using a foolproof diagram. You will get a profound understanding of machine learning algorithms, unraveling the intricate mechanisms that power intelligent systems and enable data-driven decision-making. This unique resource also discusses ML use cases across industries, such as financial services, travel and hospitality, manufacturing, retail, and more. If you want a content-ready PPT deck to clear ML concepts, download this resource from the link. It will educate you on selecting the best algorithms based on your specific data objectives. The major advantage is you always make informed decisions. The PPT Deck will expand your knowledge by exploring the potential obstacles and constraints that shape the boundaries of this transformative field. Discover why ML holds immense importance in today's fast-paced and intelligent business landscape, as this resource provides a compelling explanation. If you want more interesting presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net.